Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. In 2026, it is the present, and at the center of this revolution stands ChatGPT-5, OpenAI's most powerful language model to date. What once started as a simple chatbot has now evolved into a system capable of writing code, creating content, analyzing data, running businesses, and even assisting in medical and legal decision-making. This has triggered one of the biggest technology debates in America today. Is AI helping humans or replacing them? And more importantly, can AI still be stopped? The rise of ChatGPT-5 in the United States. Across the US, companies are rapidly adopting ChatGPT-5 to automate customer support, marketing, finance, HR, and software development. Startups use it to launch products faster. Corporations use it to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Freelancers rely on it to work smarter and scale income. Search interest for terms like ChatGPT-5 capabilities, AI replacing jobs, and future of artificial intelligence in the USA is at an all-time high. Why? Because ChatGPT-5 is no longer just answering questions. It is writing professional-level content in seconds, generating production-ready code, analyzing large datasets with human-like reasoning, creating business strategies and marketing funnels, powering AI agents that work 24/7. This level of performance is forcing Americans to rethink how work, education, and business operate. Are human jobs at risk? One of the most searched questions in 2026 is, will AI replace my job? Industries already seeing major disruption include customer service, digital marketing, content creation, software testing, data analysis, administrative and back-office roles. AI tools powered by ChatGPT-5 can now perform tasks that once required entire teams. This does not mean every job disappears, but it does mean job roles are changing faster than ever before. In the US job market, adaptability is becoming the most valuable skill. Can AI be regulated or stopped? Governments and tech leaders are attempting to regulate artificial intelligence through AI safety laws, ethical frameworks, and usage policies. However, innovation is moving faster than regulation. Once AI systems reach a certain level of efficiency and economic value, businesses will not stop using them. The competitive advantage is simply too big. This creates a powerful reality. AI is not going away. The real question is no longer, can we stop AI? It is, how do we stay relevant alongside AI? Humans versus AI, who wins? ChatGPT-5 is faster, cheaper, and scalable. Humans are creative, emotional, and capable of ethical judgment. The future is not humans versus AI. The future is humans with AI versus humans without AI. In America's digital economy, those who learn to use AI tools will outperform those who ignore them. What should you do in 2026? To stay competitive in the age of ChatGPT-5, Americans should focus on learning AI-assisted workflows, building skills in prompt engineering and automation, combining creativity with AI efficiency, understanding how AI impacts your industry, using AI to start online businesses and side hustles. Search trends show rapid growth in how to make money with AI, best AI tools 2026, and AI skills for the future. Final thoughts. ChatGPT-5 represents a turning point in human history. The question is not whether AI will change the world. It already has. The only remaining question is, will you compete with AI or will you control it? In 2026, the smartest move is not to fear artificial intelligence, but to master it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.